Welcome to Content Navigation. As mentioned in the last video, content is where you will spend a majority of your time while learning online. Once in your course, go to the top navigation bar in the upper right-hand corner, click on Materials, and then on Content. The Content section is somewhat different than what we have seen thus far in our classroom, so we will review each item step by step. We will break down content navigation into three parts: the heading and progress bar, the left-hand navigation, and the content window. The heading and progress bar appears at the top of the screen on every main topic within the table of contents. This bar helps learners gauge what they have completed and what they have yet to complete. Simply navigating to some pages within the content will yield a check mark or completion percentage. Others, however, require students to submit items before they receive a check mark. It is imperative to realize that not all classes require 100% completion and/or every check mark, including the green ones found on the left-hand navigation to be checked off. Some items do not require student participation and/or submissions, thus some items can remain uncompleted or unchecked. Check with your instructors and syllabus to better understand your participation grade in this way. Above the progress bar are two icons labeled Download and Send to Binder. You have the option to download any content or send any content to the Binder app to use on a tablet as you see fit. These icons give you options and ways to print and read your content on other devices. You'll notice a printer icon as well in the upper right-hand corner that allows you to print the current screen. And just under the printer icon are two links, Expand All and Collapse All. These items help you navigate the content. When collapsed, it is easy to see the main topics of the left-hand navigation. When expanded, the associated content of each main topic is revealed. Next, we will review the left-hand navigation. At the top, there are two icons labeled Bookmarks, where you can save items to read later, and Upcoming Events, which links out to the course calendar. The table of contents is the heart of your online course and contains all the information and tools you will need to learn online. Instructors will build out a table of contents specific to their course. However, this table of contents acts as a sample listing of items you may possibly encounter in different classrooms. Syllabus contains a sample syllabus. Class schedule and assignments contain samples of both these items. Course resources contains sample links to external online learning resources. Course evaluation contains a sample end-of-the-semester survey which you may have to complete at the end of your course. And lastly, course content. Course content is where your learning experience begins. You'll notice that as you click on main topics in the left-hand navigation, the content window changes. The content window currently shows all the items in the table of contents. When you click on the syllabus, the content window changes to revealing only the syllabus information. This is the same for any main topic. When we click on course content, additional subheadings are revealed. Instructors may label these by week or module, however there is a breakdown of learning materials into chunks. This process is called modularization. To begin, click on Module 1 and we will review how the content window changes and how to begin learning. You'll notice the module lists out learning objectives, what to do, and resources. Simply follow the what to do steps to begin learning. Instructors will modify the layout of these items. However, this is where you will find learning instructions. You'll notice that there are only two check marks next to the four items under Module 1. The reason this happens is because the video links only require clicking on them to receive a check mark. The introductions and quiz require student participation in order to receive a check mark. And we will review how to receive check marks, submit assignments, and navigate communication in the very next video.